Oh shit. Oh god. Oh shit. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to Benny's garage. We're going to be working on Cody's H22. He's got a Accord project. That almost never happens. So I'm pretty sure the pressure plate is pretty much fucked because I cannot get this thing to go into gear. I mean, I'm having to slam gears.
Hell yeah.
Should I slam gears all the way up to Clinton?
Fuck yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's broke. It's done for. I sleepy-eyed it, drove it like up the road. Now it's toasted. Like I can't even get it in gear without turning the car off. I was gonna drive it, but I'm just gonna leave it here. Thank you, Cody, for letting me leave it. Yeah, we'll see you at Benny's.
What's up, guys? Today we're doing H22 build. It's been a secret for a little bit. Been waiting up on winter, collecting up parts, and it's gonna be a boost build probably. Probably what we're gonna do. I mean, the head's sitting over there. Probably gonna send the head off next paycheck maybe.
Jeffrey's like gone.
What'd you say? Jeffrey's gone.
We don't know where Jeffrey's at.
Oh, he's been missing. We have like 24 hours before we file a police report. We need to find the 3-foot gear head made out of.
So we found Jeffrey. He's in the back of the ZX just chilling. We took him to Cars and Coffee.
A balance shaft eliminator kit. Pretty much these dowel pins goes in places of oil passages in the basket. This is the balance shaft balancer, I guess, kit, the eliminator. The plate, we're not sure where the plate goes. I'm about to look up the video right now, figure out where the plate goes, and then we're going from there.
Alright, it's on there, guys.
Send
Literally. You on here, bro?
Basket off, or cradle, whatever you want to call it. It pretty much allows your oil to pass through here. The eliminator kit comes with sealed off dowel pins that takes the place of, I believe, one big one and like 2 small ones. It's for like a low compression build, pretty much. Like I said, we're going to do a boost build on it. Shout out to Kaizen Speed for sending the eliminator kit.
We should explain to people that this H22 is not going in this Accord.
It is not. I have a 93 Accord CB7. Had the F22 single cam in it. Had a backyard mechanic help with some flywheel stuff and didn't torque anything down, and flywheel pretty much saw bladed its way out of my car.
Alright guys, it's beer 30 on Sunday.
Where's Holly go? Hey bro, eat all of us.
Hey, come here.
Fuck! You got some fuckers.
Best cartel.
Best cartel.
I'm just here. Plus one.
Anyways,
Plus one.
pretty hot day. We're working on this motor today. I already explained in the video, but I'm putting my two cents in. First time for me. First time for Cody. So we're gonna make this work, and then we're gonna blow his car up afterwards.
If everything goes right and we get enough subscribers in time, so please like, comment, subscribe below. This car might be a giveaway car, but I need some subscribers. We all need subscribers. Get our name out there. Do what you can.
You ain't gotta worry about that native. You goddamn native. Look at the fucking clowns, man. It's goddamn ninja inside the motherfuckers. I swear to God.
Yeah, put that down, man. The blame we ain't gonna blow it down. We got goddamn get and go cars down there.
This Corona's been out here since Halloween. We're one beer down, and he's fixing to drink this old ass Corona.
$5.
Alright, go. 20.
5. Yeah. That smells stout. That smells
Let me
like...
get a swig first.
You don't want to swig that.
Alright, let me set pop. Alright, I got you.
It's 5 on camera, y'all. Full bottle. Do you need a straw? Do you need a straw to like make some airflow go down through there a little bit?
Yeah.
I don't have a straw. Ooh, that's gross.
Damn, dude. Does it
Don't
taste
do
that bad?
Don't do this at home, y'all. Even though we're doing it at a shop. God damn it.
Hello, 3-year-olds.
Oh fuck, dude.
I didn't use this $5.
He's out. No shit though.
Oh, man,
Look at this. I mean, you can tell by how old this box is. Look, we're not lying. There's still Corona in here. Look at that. It's got moisture all over it. Dude.
I made a damn yard on when it got torn up by the nader down there. Actually, it always looks like trash though. But look, man, goddamn that nader up there, man. Ninjas and shit in the sky. Oh shit, here they come, man.
Well, it's pretty bad out here in Myrtle Beach. I think we're in a hurricane state right now. Oh God. That's how fast the weather changes here in Mexico. Okay, now you gotta freak out and make it energetic that you just got that off, okay?
Whoa!
I guess I'm gonna just take it inside my house. I did hold on some sideways.
I got a complete swap H22 transmission chip ECU for $200. And pretty much dude was giving away so cheap. One, because he said he's gonna case swap. He never did. And two, it'd be alright. And two, he said the oil pump was going out. It had like 15 PSI instead of 25, I think.
One more time, because once I take these off, they're fucked.
We're looking at the same way. Look, basket's way that way.
This one. And this one, right?
Right.
Okay.
Are you sure about that?
No, because what if the camera?
Are you
flip?
100%?
What if the image is flipped
Are you
in the camera?
100%? Are you 100%? Yeah, take that drag, you fucker.
You damn right I am.
I don't want to like super.
I swear to God, I was like riding that board. I was like, getting it with my fucking going. I'm like, why is this board not going anywhere? Then I realized it was a piece of shit. The fucking wheels were like.
On our way to Domino's. Gonna get a pineapple and ham pizza. I don't care what you say. Pineapple does belong on pizza. What's your opinion?
It belongs on pizza.
Yeah,
For sure.
it's good on pizza. We're headed back to the house. He's kind of on the phone. We're headed back to the house and get some pizza
Go to the house
and finish what we started on the H22. So Cody's doing the final touches, as you can tell.
Make
Beating
sure
the
that-
fucking shit out of it.
The cap can go back on. Make sure they're all nice and sturdy.
Okay. Fuck no, it's not either.
We're gonna use royal purple to coat our bearings.
Because high performance motors require high performance oil. So we took this tap right here made threads for a tiny little plug. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's in there. We're actually gonna take it back out and permatex it in there because this is not supposed to come out. It's not supposed to move at all. This car's gonna be done right, y'all. Stock block, built head. It's a Honda. Moment of truth, y'all.
You got dial pins? Like that? Which one go where? We're piecing things back together right now. Basically, what we're doing here is we replaced the oil pump, the OEM oil pump, of course, and we added in a Kaizen speed delete kit, or Kaizen speed balance shaft delete kit, deleting both balance shafts in here. We put some plugs in the in this basket oil passage thing. What I don't know what it's called. Fuck, I don't know. Anyways, but that little plate right there looks pretty cool. It'll look really good whenever we put everything back together.
It's gonna look real clean.
We still need a oil pickup tube, and we're gonna put that new oil pan gasket. Yeah, we're gonna buy main cap bolts. Get that in, and we'll get them in there. And we need some fucking bolts for the oil pan as well. But getting there.
Jump down my ball.